So everyone, and basically right now what I'm actually doing is with the R34, you can see just there, I am prepping the headlights to get restored like I did with my sister's 5 Series. So I'm just going to show you guys around the car. I'm not going to do a full in-depth view of this. I don't think that's necessary this time since I got the 5 Series to do, which I'll put a link down somewhere here maybe or in the description below. So you guys can have a look at that, which is a bit more in depth. But let me go show you around what the R34 looks like right now. So it's nowhere near as bad as my sister's 5 Series, but it's still got a good haze to it. It's not as clear as an R34 headlights. It's not as clear as an R34 headlight should be. So that's how it looks there. I'm going to show you guys the other side. I think it stands out more with the blue being all around it. You can kind of see a little bit more of how hazy it is. I think this would come out really nicely. There you go, that's the after results. And because I still haven't done the other side, it always looks better on camera than it actually does in person. It looks more like that corner in person, but all the way around. Still some of the best looking headlights you can get out there. Can actually see my reflection now. It is literally that clear now. So right, I'm gonna end the video here now. I'm gonna finish off doing the other side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I know it's a very quick one, but it's interesting and nice to see the R34 headlights come to life again. Be sure to subscribe to see more footage of me working on the cars and everything. And if there's anything you'd like to see, then please, leave a comment for me and get in touch and I'll see what I can do about it. But for now guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Catch you later.